Hi again. I'm sure we'll get finished this 20 minutes. I can't believe, can you see, it's taken so long to make a card. It's ridiculous, isn't it? But this is what happens when I'm doing stuff. Oh, I've lost a plate now. I thought, right, while I've paused it, I will get all the stuff I need together. And I've lost a plate. Of course you have. What have I done with it? I've only just had it. I swear to God, I have only just had it and now I can't find the darn thing. Oh, that's why. Whoops. It was under my notebook all the time. Right, let's get back to this. I've got this glitter sheets by Craft Time. Yeah, Craft Time. This is just one I've had for years actually. I think I got it from Alexandra Palace once when I went there. But the pink of it is so similar. Look at that. Can you see that? It's so like the Petal Pink, the Stampin' Up! Petal Pink. And unfortunately Stampin' Up! Haven't got Petal Pink in this, so I'm using somebody else's. So I'll get 30 out from my number dies. And stick this through here. Right, now, here's what I'm trying to remember now. I'm cutting on the glitter bit because I want the numbers to face me. Have you come out right? Oh, perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Oh, I'm too old to bend. Got little pieces everywhere. I think I've stuck this the right way because I've written on the back to because I can never remind you, and I've put upside down to me. So I'm hoping that's the right way. Okie dokie. Right, now I want to put, now do I want to just put my, do I want to put right in there or do I want to put like a nice little birthday verse there and then right on the back? What do you want to do, Tina? Because if that's up like that, if that's, because if she's got it out on the thing, everyone's going to see what I've written and I don't really want that. So I need something for here. Oh, maybe I could just stamp happy birthday and do one of these flowers and that with the thing. Oh, I like the sound of that. Yeah, let's try that. I'm going to use this as a scrap piece of card. I was trying to emboss. No, I wasn't embossing. I was scoring it before, and instead of scoring, I cut like you do, because you know you're just an idiot. So I'm going to do happy birthday. I need a happy birthday sentiment now. Let me see what I've got. I didn't think of looking for this first. I don't know why. You know, especially as you're doing a birthday. Ooh, happy birthday, especially for you. Oh, that's nice. Right, let's do that. Let's try that first. So I want Petal Pink. Now, do I want to stamp the sentiment in Petal Pink? Do I? I've lost the happy birthday. Where's the happy birthday? What does it look like? Oh. Come on. Right, does that say happy birthday? Happy, yes it does. Let me just try it first with this. Oh, that looks orange. Why does that look orange? That doesn't look like it. What is that? Does that come out orange? I mean, I know the petal pink is an orangey pink, but it shouldn't be that orange, surely. Let's try this one. Oh, I would have thought this one's going to be more orangey. Let's have a look. Oh, no. Definitely not. Definitely not. So let's try Blushing Bride. Oh, that one's softening now, that top one. But I still prefer Blushing Bride. So I'm going to use Blushing Bride. Is that Petal Pink? It is softening now. It's going more pinky. Now it's drying, but I think I'd still prefer that one. Just got to make sure I've got the right way up now. Right, here goes. Here goes. So now I'm going to use my frame. I'm going to use my stamping platform because I don't want to make a mess. I do not want to make a mess of this when I've got this far. So let's see. Let's put you there. Stick you down there. I'm going to, oh, there it is. I am going to put Especially For You on it as well because I think that's really nice. So let us see. Happy Birthday is going to go there, and Especially For You. Let's do the birthday one first, get that out of the way. Happy birthday and Especially For You. Did I just twist that? Okay, now let me just mark where I've got my card. And then I'm going to try this first. Just to double check everything's where I want it before I stamp onto my proper one. Happy birthday. Especially For You. See, that's not straight. Okay. So we'll straighten that a touch. And I'm going to use black this time just to make sure that I've got it straight this time, so it stands out, because if I do it in the same colour it's not going to stand out, is it? Why does that look even wonkier? Because it is wonkier. A Happy Birthday is fine. Alright, let's use these grid lines like you're supposed to. That might work, mightn't it? So I've got Happy Birthday there, and I want Especially For You over that. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing now. Especially For You there. So, you know, that looks better. Let's, oh, throwing my stamping pad everywhere. Oh, you can't really see very well, can you? I'm not doing a very good job today. There we go, that's better. Let's put this black away. And then put my card back in so it's all lined up. That's what I really like. I love these paper sheets that you can get for inside the Stamparatus, because for things like this it's great because you can just put pencil marks on where you want everything, and then jobs are good. It's nice, and especially for you to go there, and I like. So now I'm going to put, let's just put them to one side. I'm going to use this flower, and I think I'm going to use this one. I think this one's my favourite. So I'm going to put it, where do I want it? Do I want it up there? Yeah, I'm going to put it up there. Let's move that down there. I'm going to do the same colour. Oh, I like that. It's such a beautiful flower, this. And then I'm going to do one down at the bottom as well. So let's just clean that and dry. You have to make the point of drying it, because if you don't dry it and you try to measure where you want the thing like this, oof, you leave a messy mess, trust me. I have made that mistake numerous times. Get rid of that. Where do I want? Don't want that. Where am I? That corner. Just want to wipe that bit off there. Oh, that's lovely. I love that. And now I'm going to use a very, very soft green. And oh, goodness gracious. Can't pick the flipping thing up lately. Right, let's get to the green. Where are you? Oh, knocking everything flying. Yeah, I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the, oh, I've just broke my nail. Making me growl. Let's try the tiny leaf. Where's the little leaf? There it is. I just want to see what this is like on this colour card first. And this is the soft sea foam. Yeah, I like that. Right. Now, I'm just going to leave it here because I'm just going to stamp like that. So it's sort of coming out a little bit from behind the flower, and get rid of that bit there so I can stamp there like that. Done! Well, we're sort of done, aren't we? We're nearly done. This one is the soft sea foam that I've just used. And we are now ready to stick our card together. Exciting! Oh, I'll just take that off. Right, now the best thing I've found to do is, make sure you've not got any dog hairs everywhere. I'm going to use glue. I'm going to use this glue. Right, and the way I found, the easiest way I've found to putting these together is you're going to get your top one and you're going to line it up to where you want it on your card. And mine, I'm going to go so where my fold is, let me zoom in again. The fold of my first card is here, which lines up with the edge of my bow. So I know when I turn it over, that's where I'm gluing up to. Should any glue I ever use decide to work. Okay, so then I can put that back down and know that I haven't over glue. I haven't put loads of glue extra on the, like on the front of the card, so it doesn't mess with this bit. And now what I find the easiest thing to do is, if zoom back out again a bit, no, wrong way, come on, fold it back like this, and then I'm going to glue this side. Right, then keeping that together, fold your card down, and there you go. Because then your back Z is perfect, and that means it'll open fine and it'll close fine. Because if you try and do it any other way, I've found that it doesn't always line up, and well, you've made a right mess then, haven't you? So, and you don't want to make a mess when you've just spent an hour and a half making the thing. So let's get out my what are these called? Foam pads, dimensionals, and I'm using the small ones, and I'm just spreading them all around. I want a good coverage on it. Whoops. I want good coverage all around so it stands up nicely. And these mini ones are perfect for on the numbers, whereas the big ones you'd have to cut into half to get them onto the edge, to round the edge of the numbers. But this one is perfect. I do like these dimensionals. And yes, I am using a lot of them because I don't want it to go flat in certain places. I want it to stand up all the time. Right, so take the backs off. Get the backs off. If you can get the backs off. Oh my god, I'm coming up to 20 minutes again. What's that? 20:46? That's an hour. It's taken me an hour to do this video. You're going to be bored to death by the time you get to this bit. You're going to, like, for goodness sake, Tina, work it out first and then stick your bloody video up. But I can't. Okie dokes. I say okie dokes a lot, don't I? I didn't realise I did. I want my tweezers. So I can try and line this up. I'm going to put my 0 on first. Ooh, nearly dropped it on the card, and I'm going to move that ribbon a little tiny bit. Get me 3. Move me ribbon. Line it up. Oh, I like that. And there we go. We've got a beautiful, pretty 30th birthday card for my beautiful, pretty, gorgeous daughter-in-law. And thank you so much. If you've managed to stay for this long, then you deserve a medal, and well done. Please, if you are making this, tag me in them, whether you're on Instagram or YouTube or anything like that, or Facebook or any social media, because I'd really love to see what you've made as well. I have a group on Facebook where we share all our cards that we've made and get inspiration from each other. I'd love you to join that. If you've liked the videos, please give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. And thank you so much, and I will hopefully see you all again very soon. Bye.